Hello parents, welcome back to our channel Art of Parenting. Today we came up with activities which will help your child to improve their auditory sense. So for the activity we have taken mustard seeds, marbles, peanuts, urad dal as well as rice. Auditory development in the infant develops in the first 20 weeks of gestation, and the neurosensory part of the auditory system develops primarily after 20 weeks of gestational age. The auditory system becomes functional at around 25 weeks of gestation. It is easily affected by the environment and care. The period from 25 weeks of gestation to 5 to 6 months of age is most critical to the development of the neurosensory part of the auditory system. Unlike the visual system, the auditory system requires outside auditory stimulation. Auditory development in the infant develops in the first 20 weeks of gestation, and the neurosensory part of the auditory system develops primarily after 20 weeks of gestational age. The auditory system becomes functional at around 25 weeks of gestation. It is easily affected by the environment as well as the care that we take. The period from 25 weeks of gestation to 5 to 6 months of age for any baby is most critical to the development of neurosensory part of the auditory system. Unlike the visual system, the auditory system requires a lot of outside stimulation. This needs to include speech, music, and meaningful sounds from the environment. The preterm as well as the term infant can't recognize or discriminate meaningful sounds with background noise levels greater than 60 decibels. So here today we are helping you out with a small activity which will stimulate the auditory in your babies. So today we came up with a small activity which will help to improve the auditory skills in your babies. You can do this activity when your baby is 3 to 4 months old, and you can continue this or increase this difficulty level till first year. Now let's get started. First, we have taken few mustard seeds in a glass jar. Here we used a glass jar to make it clear for you, but otherwise you can do this activity. Actually, you have to do this activity either in a plastic jar or a steel box. Let's see the sound. You can see the reaction of my baby. You can also use this activity for tracking as well, which we have already shown you in the previous videos. Okay, now taking the next one, we have taken rice. One important thing is you have to take the same quantity of any object. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Now the next one is urad dal. When you are doing this activity, please take the objects in the similar kind of box and increase the size of the objects. As in mustard seeds are too small, and then comes rice, then the urad dal. You can take even other pulses like rajma or any dals also. Now the groundnut. By seeing his facial expressions, you can understand that he is responding to the sound. Here, when we take the marbles, it gives a different sound when you drop it in a glass jar, or even in the steel it gives a different sound. You can just look at him, he's trying to notice the sound as well. Otherwise, you can also do the same way how we did the previous objects. Aryan, sound. these are the few things that you can take which are available in your house and do this activity. Otherwise, nowadays in the market, there is a separate sound box, activity box is available, which you can purchase and then do the same activity with your kids. Here 6 different types of sounds are available. We will just show you. From a very fine sound to the little louder one. Actually, you can also use this material as a matching. You can also use this sound box for matching. Here, as I have given 6 blacks and 6 reds, the child has to match which sound actually matches to the other one. This you can do it once they grow up. Thank you, dear parents. In the next videos, we will be coming up with the activities which stimulate the other senses. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Aryan, say bye. Bye. Aryan, bye.